Hello, people. Do you know what happens when an organized kid gets tired of messy streets? Welcome to the podcast Roots to Reach, where Alina's personality meets her purpose. I am Navya Shah, the host of today's podcast. So, Alina, you have spent your last few months exploring and researching on your personality and leadership styles. Can you tell us something important that you have learned about yourself?
One of my biggest insights was realizing that my love for structure and order is actually a form of leadership. मुझे ये भी पता चला that I can lead people with a calm sense of direction and create a change that's actually sustainable. Also, I've discovered that I'm deeply motivated by purpose. मुझे बस अच्छा नहीं करना होता, मुझे बेस्ट देना होता है, and that's the leader I want to become. I want to become somebody that inspires action and responsibility in others as well.
That's wonderful, Alina. How have your strengths like being organized, purpose-driven, and a natural leader shaped the way you see the world? What's one real-world issue that now you feel personally connected to?
Waste management is a topic that I relate the most. Waste management in Ahmedabad is a serious problem. And I, being an organized person, feel like this is something that shouldn't be happening. This city is vibrant, full of energy. But when it comes to how we are handling waste, we are falling short. Overflowing bins, open dumping, burning garbage. It's a serious problem. It causes harm to environment as well as to our health. And more than that, it shows lack of civic discipline. Indore, being a smaller city than Ahmedabad, has better waste management services. और लोग कहते रहते हैं कि क्या फर्क पड़ता है, इससे तो कुछ नहीं होता. वेल, फर्क पड़ता है, इससे बहुत सारी प्रॉब्लम्स हो रही है और किसी को तो इसकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लेनी पड़ेगी.
That's inspiring. What role do you see yourself playing in this issue?
Okay, so I began by redesigning the waste system at home. Segregating the dry and wet waste, creating bins with labels and scheduling pickups. Then I moved beyond my home. मैंने देखा ऐसा तो क्या है इंदौर में जो अहमदाबाद में अभी तक नहीं आया है. और and then I organized cleanliness drives in my society. I convinced my neighbors by creating a small team, and we as a team worked together and took action. And well, that's what inspiring leadership is to me.
Well, that's fantastic. But how does this matter to you personally?
Because I believe in dignity. Everyone deserves respect, whether it's a person or public spaces. And that's where my purpose comes from. To lead people with responsibility and inspire others to do the same.
Thank you so much for sharing your insights. That brings us to the end of our questions.
Less mess, more mindfulness. That's the bins over chaos always. Peace, love, and a cleaner Ahmedabad. Bye-bye.